There are four famous rivers in the world: the Amazon in South America, the Nile in Africa, the Mekong in Asia, and the Mississippi in North America. The Mekong River is the third largest, stretching 4,880 kilometers. It begins in the Tibetan Highlands in China and flows through six countries: China, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. From Cambodia, after flowing through the border into Vietnam, the Mekong River splits into 9 branches like 9 dragons, all pouring into the East Sea. That's why it's called the Cửu Long River, which means River of 9 Dragons. The Mekong plays an incredibly important role for the people of southern Vietnam, especially in the Mekong Delta region. The river not only provides fertile land and rice for the nation, but also supplies seafood for all of southern Vietnam. It helps millions of people earn a living in the areas it flows through. What a wonderful river! But now, will the Mekong River someday become just a legend? From the beginning of the Mekong to Cambodia, 19 hydroelectric dams have been built. The river is being destroyed. There is no more alluvium, no more fish or shrimp. Rice fields are contaminated with salt. People in the Mekong Delta are facing hunger and thirst. Millions have been forced to leave their homes in search of a way to survive. While the world is crying out to protect the river, we are destroying the rivers in our own country.